Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be doing a quick revision on how to draw a stem and leaf diagram. So the question is there right on the board, and it says show this information in an ordered stem and leaf diagram. Now we need to remember that it says ordered stem and leaf diagram, which means our numbers need to be in an ascending order. So our stem will be the tens numbers, which is 10, 20, 30, and 40. And with every stem and leaf diagram, you need a key. So we take the number, for example, 25. So this is how you would write it. So then we start with the smallest number, which is 17. And then the next one will be 18, and there's two 18s there. The next number is 19, and then we go to our 20s. This number is 20. There's another 20 as well, and 21, 22, 23, 25, and 29. And in the 30s, we got 33 and two 37s. And we only have one number in the 40s, which is 42. And this question is normally 3 marks. Okay.